Hey guys, in today's video, we will talk about how to set up Depop payments. Watch this video until the end to learn how to do this and more. Here is how you set up Depop payments. First, visit Depop.com. The link is in the description. Click on the profile icon located at the top right of the page. Then, click on the Settings option. After that, select the Preferences option. In the Preferences section, you will see the Selling icon. Within the Selling section, you'll find the PayPal tag and the Currency tag. To set your currency settings, click on the Currency option. After setting your currency, go back and select the PayPal option. Click on the Connect PayPal option. Depop will then request that you sign into your PayPal account if you haven't already done so. Sign into your PayPal account by entering your sign-in details to connect it with your Depop account. After successfully signing in, you will be redirected back to your Depop account to enter your billing information, such as your name and street address. Make sure to enter the correct and necessary information. Finally, select the Confirm option to successfully connect your Depop payment payout. So that's it. Setting up Depop payments is just that easy. Thanks for watching.